single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something.
Hey, what's up, you guys? So this video I will be attempting to do the smoky eye. As you can see, I've already did my eyebrows, so there's no need to do those. You guys already know how that goes. And now I'm just basically prepping my eyelids with the Pro Concealer by LA Girl. This is the color, I want to say it's almond. Yeah, this is the color almond that I'm using before I put my color on. So this book I am using is called Beauty Book by Profusion. That is what I'm going to be getting my colors from, or at least some of them. This color that I'm using now, it doesn't have a name on it, so I have no idea, but it's like a tan, like a light tan color. So that's what I'm going to be using to prep my eyelids before I apply my color. So this pink I am applying is called Lavish, and it's from a palette called Peach by BYS. I actually got this palette from Family Dollar, and it has 12 colors in there. And I think this costs like $6. So when I seen that, I said, oh yeah, definitely got to get it. Plus it had my favorite colors in there, like pink and some of the browns. So it goes from like a beige color all the way up into a gold shimmery color. So it has a great mixture of colors in there. Next, I am going to apply the color black on my eyes at the bottom, and this came out of the beauty book. So I'm just gonna basically just pack on the black, pack. It's like I can't pack no more. And next I'm going to put on the dark purple out of the beauty book. It's like a shimmery dark purple, so I'm just going to put that on there just to give the black a little pop of color and a little shimmer on it, so it just won't be like plain black and pink. So next, in like my tear ducts, closer to my tear ducts, I'm going to put in the color Dazzling, which is like a gold color, and that is coming from my Peach BYS palette. And I just put that in there just to give it like a little spark, like a little boom, right there in the crease. It's not like all the way out there, but it's just a little subtle. The lashes I am applying is the 3D lashes from IMovie, and they are the numbers 151. So next I'm going to apply my foundation, which is color 340 Cappuccino, and it's made by Maybelline. This line is called Fit Me. So I really like it. Like, it gives it a nice finish, like a nice clean finish. I kind of actually like it better than my Fenty. I hate that I just said that, but it's kind of better than my Fenty. So next I'm going to put on, I want to say this is a bronzer. It's from my Smokey, Smoke and Mirrors palette. Yeah, I'm going to put that on just to add a little darker tint to my face. And I'm just going to put it all around the world. Hey girl, hey girl. So next I am putting red clay around my jawline just to bring in some color. I haven't found any other color that I've liked besides red clay. I really like the fact that it has like a reddish tint to it. So it kind of makes my makeup look a whole lot better after putting on all that foundation. So next I am putting on my HD Flawless Setting Powder. This is actually called Brightening Banana by Absolute New York. I bought this a while ago. I think I'm actually going to change colors if I can find a color that matches me, because this one is actually a little bit too light, but I do like the finish. I can say that I do like the finish about it. Next, I am applying my highlight from my palette Smoke and Mirrors. So it's like a real goldish dust color, like it's really, really gold. So put it on my nose to give me a little nice little shine, like I'm Rudolph, but with gold. Rudolph with a gold nose. Yeah, that's me. So next I am putting on the Espresso lip liner. I'm not sure who this is made by. The names are scratched off of my tube, so yeah. But it's the color Espresso. I like to put this on my lips when I'm doing pinks, because I do like for my pink to have like a little brown tint to it. I think it's really cute, so I'm just going to apply that all over my lips and line my lips up. Next, I am applying my lipstick in the name color. It's Tender, and it's actually by LA Colors, and it's real creamy. I like lipstick that is really, really creamy. If I want a matte finish, most of the time I use like a lip liner if I want a matte finish, but this one is creamy. And then I'm going to add my, what color is this, guys? Playful. My Playful lip gloss, which has a pink shimmer to it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Look at my look, girl. Yes. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Click the bell so you get notifications whenever I have videos that pop up on your YouTube. Make sure you thumbs up this video. And like I always say, comment if you feel you have something you want to add. Thanks, you guys.